So right here we got a new tactical LED flashlight from Klarus. This is the XT11GT Pro, 2200 lumens, 320 meters beam distance. There are two different modes, tactical and an outdoor mode. Two switches on the tail, the main switch and the mode switch. When you are in the tactical mode, you always get a direct access to strobe. With the mode switch, when the light is off, on the main switch you always get turbo directly when the light is off. A full press gives you the constant on, and then you can change through the modes with the mode switch or through the different brightness levels. Press and hold the mode switch to go to strobe, and of course when the light is off there's an instant access to strobe. There's also an outdoor mode that again gives you the turbo or the highest setting with the main switch, but then the difference in the outdoor mode is just when you press the mode switch you get the low mode. And as you can see, we got a charging port right here. It is a USB-C port, and in the package we got the flashlight itself with a 21700 battery, and of course also the USB charging cable, USB-A to C, the belt clip, belt holster, user manual. All those items are included. And here a quick look at the different levels. The turbo with 2200 lumens for about 2 minutes, and then there's gonna be a step down to 750 lumens, and you got about 2 hours on those 750 lumens. 25,600 candelas, and that gives you beam distance of 320 meters. And a few other levels, high with 400, medium with 100, and the low mode of 10 lumens, strobe with 2200 lumens, and also the SOS mode with 100 lumens. There are a few accessories available, color filters and the diffuser, and also the signal cone, rail mount, an adapter, remote switch. All those items are available. If you want to know more about this flashlight, you can leave a comment. You can check out the online store, welleroutdoor.ch. Thank you for watching, and I am now looking forward to your message, your comment, and of course also to your order. See you soon in the next video.